Again, and today I'll be reacting to iconic scenes from our first film, Hello, Love, Goodbye. Tara, tingnan natin.
Kabayan!
Ikaw naman, di mo man lang tinikman yung mga drinks na ginawa ko sa'yo kanina.
Bug!
Ow! Ka naman.
That was actually my first ever take for Hello, Love, Goodbye. Parang second or third day namin yan sa Hong Kong kasi we flew in early to have an immersion for our characters. And yan yung una kong take. That's the first time that Kathy was able to direct me. And of course, first scene namin ni Kathy together. Quite memorable kasi ang dami nangyari dyan.
Okay, next scene.
I love you.
Kaso gusto kita eh. So sorry, I don't love you.
Yung scene na yan was shot in Victoria Harbor sa Hong Kong. And actually, 2 days namin siyang shoot kasi parang when we were doing the shot of Kath, by the time sa shot ko na, namatay yung Ferris wheel. The reason why I appreciate that scene is because dun parang nagpakita ng kaluluwa si Ethan and Joy to each other. And parang dyan nila lalong nakilala yung isa't isa. And that was a long scene. Parang ilang pages din yung script na minemorize namin dyan. But I really like the lines. And it's a very raw scene between the two characters.
Next, yung date niyo sa rooftop.
Aww! Aww!
Sana hindi na umalis. Kung pwede lang. I don't love you, Joy.
I don't love you too.
Isa sa mga purest scenes of the film na hindi, minsan, di ba, for a scene to be memorable, minsan yung nag-stick sa mind natin is a grand scene. May mga malalaking eksena, may mga malalaking nangyayari. But sometimes the simplest scenes are the purest scenes and people tend to remember that. And I think yung part na yun is one of the most memorable scenes para sa akin. Punong-puno ng meaning yung mga salitang yun kahit na few words lang. Okay.
Lahat ng binibigay ko is not enough to make you stay.
So lahat na tong ginawa mo yun para pilitin akong piliin ka?
I give you all the love that I have because I love you.
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit pinapapili mo ako?
Kung mahal mo ako, bakit hindi ako ang piliin mo, Joy?
Bakit nga ba kasi hindi? That was a very hard, a very difficult, a very challenging scene to do because also sila Direk Kathy and our creative, sila Ate Carms and si Tala that time, and Inang, really had a hard time on what words to put. So I think that scene was beautifully written kasi naintindihan mo sila pareho at the end. Hindi ako nagalit or hindi ako nag-side to any character because I understood them, where they're coming from.
I will work hard to deserve to be in your future.
And I will work hard to deserve the chance na binigay mo sa akin. And I will always remember you as someone who loved me and allowed me to live my dreams.
I will always remember you
Someone who believed that I can be more.
as someone who believed that I can be more. Tatagpo din ang mga futures natin balang araw.
Let's make that happen. It was a very emotional scene. For me, that the symbolism of that scene is to really, if you really love someone, this cliche saying, but totoo kasi, if you really love someone, you have to set them free. You have to let them go. If that will, make them grow as a person. If that's for their fulfillment as a person. So, what Ethan showed Joy in that scene is an act of selfless love na dapat we should all practice that.
Mic drop.
Mic drop.